Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, this is gonna be a quick, easy, fast, keto diet, awesome chicken wing, ranch, garlic, awesomeness recipe. Yeah, babe, yeah. So first, I gotta give credit where credit is due. Smoking and Grilling with AB, this is a copycat recipe off of his channel. We've made it so many times. We love these wings, so we wanted to show you how to make them real quick so that the viewers on our channel could learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah.
All right, let's just jump into it. This is gonna be in the air fryer. You could also do it in the oven if you don't have an air fryer, but honestly, air fryer, let's talk about it. Snoop around our channel. Get yourself an air fryer by any means. Link in the description below. Get yourself an air fryer. They are life-changing, especially if you're doing the keto diet. So, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go!
Ranch chicken wings. So our first thing is a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch. We have garlic salt, paprika, mayonnaise, olive oil mayonnaise, chicken wings, party wings, and 1 teaspoon.
And a bag.
And an air fryer.
And an air fryer.
So we're gonna rinse our chicken wings first. We're gonna get all the yuckies off, and then you pat it dry, make sure they're really dry. Ew. Why do you make me do this part? This is so yucky. I hate raw meat. Okay, babe. We're starting with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
That's a teaspoon. But you can you can just 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise in there. A fair amount of mayo. 3 tablespoons worth.
Okay. All right. Next up is a teaspoon of paprika.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons? Okay.
2 teaspoons of paprika.
2 teaspoons of paprika. 2 teaspoons of garlic salt.
Then the secret weapon, babe. The secret ingredient.
Packet of ranch. This is my favorite ever since I was a kid. I love this ranch mixed with sour cream. So good. The whole thing.
Yep, the whole thing.
Okay, babe. We have all of our seasonings in here. I'm gonna toss these wings all in, and we're gonna shake it up. Mix them around.
No glove, no chicken love.
I should have used this in the beginning. Okay, I think I've got it pretty coated. Let's look and see. It looks pretty good. You gotta get me some gloves that fit me.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah.
We'll work on that.
Okay. Okay, here we go. 375, 25 minutes. One and done. Here we go.
Well, Babe's cleaning up the kitchen. Seriously, check the link below, hit that show more. Not only will a link for an air fryer be in there, fantastic deal, but all the show notes as well of all the measurements, everything you do. Super easy recipe, and it's so awesome. All right, let's check out how it turns out now. I've had these before, so I know that they're amazing. This is Babe's first time having them. I'm so excited.
I'm excited too.
Okay.
Okay.
They're hot.
They are. Ooh, they are hot.
They're super hot.
Okay. Cheers. Little ranch.
Holy moly, that's hot. They're so good though. Told you.
You almost don't even need
I know.
to dip them in anything. I just love dipping things.
I know. They're so good.
These are really good.
Make these at home, guys. You really will. Especially keto diet, even not keto diet.
Easy.
Easy.
Ew.
And they're so delicious.
Nice job.
All right.
Try these.
We'll see you on the next video.